Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about the December member box. So let's look at it. So, the first thing that we got is like snowflake, lights, kind of like, I'm not sure what it's called, the things that you can put up in your house that are also Christmas themed. They kind of look like Christmas trees, but let's not get too much into that. It looks like we got a new Morph Marvel. Because I do not think that this is going to, or that this is in in the Academy Merchant shop. So let's see if it is items, ones. Yeah, so this isn't even in the thing yet, and then we get snowflakes for the Winterfest shop. We got a critical chance thingy, and then we got a really cool new looking buddy. I guess it's going to be like a mouse, maybe a dog, I'm not sure. I'll try and find it and put it on the thumbnail, or like put it in my Discord for you guys to go see, and be right back. Okay, so after doing a little bit of research, I am just figuring out that I am a dummy, and the owl thing is actually going to be a morph that you can get from the pet shop, but I don't think you can get the morph from the pet shop, so this is going to be like a super rare thing, I guess, that you can get. Yeah, it's this owl as a morph, which is going to be really cool. I'm not sure if we're ever going to get this again, like we'll ever be able to get this again. Maybe it'll be in the Winterfest store, I'm not sure, and I'll be back again. Okay, so after a little bit more looking around, I was not able to find anything about this buddy that is going to be coming. So yeah, I think it's going to be a mouse, but that's going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.